is near day's high. It's the rupee. And that's the big story of this afternoon. The Indian rupee has actually gained nearly 20 paise, jumped to around 87 rupees to 6 paise per dollar. And this is largely due to the dollar weakening that we saw overnight, the dollar index weakening. But the rupee itself has gained less than other currency. The key question, are the FPIs buying? Latha joins in with more. Latha.
Well, it is a dollar dipping story. In fact, the dollar is dipped more versus the euro. The trade that we are witnessing over the last, say, maybe couple of days, 48 hours, is dollars moving or money power moving from US, both currency and stocks, to Europe, actually. A very big, valuation catch-up is happening there. Part of the catalyst could be that Europe is now intending to spend a lot on military because of America opting out of the Ukraine war. And also the US exceptionalism appears to have dulled a bit, especially because of the tariff increases on Mexico and Canada. Somehow the market was under the assumption that it is going to be postponed. And the fact that it's come has created a lot of disruption. It's not the same as tariffs on China. Mexico and Canada are inextricably linked with US. So immediately the inflation will hit, and maybe at a later time the exceptionalism in terms of lower taxes will impact the earnings of US companies. For at the moment, US exceptionalism story has hit, is impacted, tarnished, and therefore you're seeing the dollar weaken. I think it's a 2025 low. We have not seen dollar index below 106 for all of, I think it was last in November that it went below 106. That is, after the Trump victory, this is the first time the dollar index has weakened so much. So that explains the rupee strength. Also, the entire market is sitting long dollars, and therefore a lot of corporate treasuries which take these positions are apparently coming and selling dollar, booking profit as it were. Also, the Reserve Bank was showing a lot of resolve at 87.40, not letting the rupee cheapen beyond that, and that is leading to all this selling of dollars. Exporters usually bring in a lot of dollars by March end. Their profit booking also happens. And for them, this is, a very important signal that they're not going to get more than 87.40, so sell now. That seems to be one of the trends. Now, one question which all of us will want to know, are the FPI selling dollars? Are they buying stocks and therefore selling their dollars to purchase rupees and buy stocks? I have not heard evidence of that at all. Custodial banks didn't tell me that, neither did the other banks. So all I can say is I didn't hear. Let's wait for the FPI number. But this evidence of dollar selling is coming from corporates. It has not come from FPIs just yet. And just one more by way of evidence, the rupee has not strengthened as much as the other Asian currencies. But this is a global trade. It is not an India-specific trade, this dollar weakening.
Take that